So in yesterday class we discussed till get pointer, I guess. Yeah, we discussed it till get location, Swati. Explain what does it mean by X, what does it mean by Y there, right?
Yes.
It will give you where the element is located on your page. Okay. Now we will see what this get size will give. Okay. Debug gas, JNF test case. So div on the left is there, right? This is the div on the left. I said that this text is on the page, right? This text is in div on the left. Okay.
Okay.
So the get size will give me the height and width of that. Okay. If you see, height of this is 17 pixel and width of this is 29 219 pixel. Okay. So using this, you can find this is the width, right? So the text is lengthy. That's why the width is 219 pixel. Okay.
Okay.
But the height is less, right? So this is the height. So this is 17 pixel. Okay. So using get size, you can get the height and width of the element. Okay. So the main advantage of it is if you want to click on an element, if you just give get location, it will move you here, right? Till A you will come and you can click on it. Sometimes what will happen now, at the corner of the element, the click won't be fired. So if you give X and Y coordinates for this button, the click will be fired at this corner. But if you click on that, sometimes click won't be fired. So what will you do is, along with the get location, you will call get size also. Then you will get width and height, right?
Yes.
If you add width by 2 and height by 2 for XY coordinates, then mouse will come here, exact middle of the element. Okay.
Okay.
Then if you click on that button, then it will be performed, right? It will perform the click, right?
Yes.
So that is the advantage of get size. So if you want to move cursor to that position, you can use both get location and get width, get size API of web element. Okay.
Okay.
So using get size, you can get the height and width of an element on a particular page.
Okay.
Let me give you small example. See, I used all the APIs here, Swati. So here what I am trying to do is, so I am trying to do drag and drop, Swati. Okay, from I am trying to drag this image from this point to this point. Okay, as I explained earlier, using get location, I can move my cursor here. Okay, After that, by applying width by 2 and height by 2, I can move it here, right?
Yes.
Then what does it mean by drag and drop? What will you do? You will click the left button of your mouse. Okay, you will press it. After that, you don't release it. You will move to the target position and you will release the mouse. Okay.
Okay.
Simply, if you analyze the drag and drop action, you will do that only. You will press the left button of your mouse and you will move the cursor to the target and you will release the left button. That is nothing but drag and drop. Okay. I am doing the
Okay.
same step here. As I explained earlier, this robot API is there, right? This, if you call robot, this if you call new robot, that will create a mouse object for us in Java. Okay.
Okay.
Using that, I am creating a mouse object and I am moving a mouse. Okay, let me run it in debug mode. You can understand it better. So I got the drag and drop element, drag element,
Okay.
and I am getting height width left top of it. Height of the element is 31, width of the element is 88, left corner is 286, top is 360. Okay. So the problem here is if I run in debug mode, no, if I call mouse move, the mouse will be moved on Eclipse, right? So it's really difficult to perform drag and drop in debug mode. We will directly run it. But see, if I call mouse move, the mouse will move to somewhere here. You can observe that.
Yes.
So let me run the program till here in debug mode. Then you can understand it better. Now it's really difficult to run it in debug mode. Let me run it. You can observe the result. Then I will explain each and every step. So first I will run. So let me run it completely debug mode. You can observe that on the browser directly. See, the mouse will move to the point. Sorry, this is a culprit. 1 minute. See, observed, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in this way you can simulate real mouse events. You can simulate
Okay.
the real-time mouse events through this way, Swati. In those cases, no, this get size and get location will be used. So these are very important for drag and drop the things on a screen. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So we almost finished everything in web element. Let me switch back to WebDriver. In WebDriver we left few things. Let me explain those. So in driver, what we have covered today, we covered close, we covered find elements, we covered get. So let me write code. So let me write for get current URL. What will it do? So there is nothing directly running and get instead of running it in debug mode. So if you notice here, we are opening automated test user dot. We open that URL, then we clicked on chapter 1, right?
Yes.
Yeah. What get current URL will do is it will give you the URL which is in the browser. So if you click on chapter 1, so let me do it manually. So you open this page, you clicked on this link, right?
Yes.
So what is the current URL now? book.theautomated/chapter1, right?
Yes.
So the same thing will be printed here. So if you call get current URL, it will return you the current URL which is in the browser. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to get the current URL in the browser, like where the real-time use case will come when you are navigating on your browser. So you don't know what all actions you are performing. So you are clicking on links. After some time you want to check at what location you are. Then you can call get current URL, right? Then it will return you at what position you are, in which link you are. Okay.
Okay.
That is the real-time use case of get current URL. Okay. What get page source will do means so if you come here, if you right click on a browser, on any browser, there is an option called view page source, right?
Yes.
So if you click on it, he will show you the HTML source code of that page.
Okay.
So to get it through WebDriver, you need to call get page source. Both will do the same sorting. So it's similar to clicking on right clicking on your tab and pressing view page source. This is the page source. I got it from Eclipse, and you can get the same here also.
Okay.
Both are similar. You see here body script and load Ajax is there, right? Here also same thing you got. Load Ajax, Ajax, everything. Okay.
Okay.
So if you need page source to WebDriver, you need to call get page source. It's not going. Let me restart my Eclipse. Navigate is there, manage is there, there. Get
Mm.
title is there too. Let me write a code for get title first. Title is nothing but what you have here, Swati. In the address bar, what is appearing, no, that is called title. What is the title here? Selenium Beginner's Guide, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that will be printed if I call this. Get title. If you want to get title of the page, you need to call driver.get. So Selenium Beginner's Guide printed, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
You should put driver.close and driver.quit. If you don't do quit now, it doesn't go. Is the mistake? That's why it's not done. So to flush the driver object, you should always call driver.quit also along with driver.close. Let me explain what navigate will do. You see here, I opened chapter 1, then, oh, sorry, I need to click on home page. So if I click on home page, we'll go to home page. Yeah. So what this test case will do is, so I am clicking on chapter 140. If I want to go to previous link, I can click on home page that is given here, but I can go back by using this back button of browser also, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
I can click on this back button. If I want to come forward, I can click on this forward button, right?
Yes.
And if I want to refresh, I can click on this refresh button, right?
Yes.
So this driver.navigate will give you control on all the buttons of the browser address bar. Okay.
Okay.
So first we will test navigate back. Driver.navigate.back. So I clicked on chapter 1, then I clicked on home page, and I am on home page right now, right? If I call navigate back, it should return me to chapter 1 again. See, it moved me to chapter 1 again, right?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, this is my navigate button. It will just do a click on back button, that's it. It will move you to the previous page, Swati, that's it, in simple words.
Okay.
If I use quit now, that will be gone, right, that red mark. So this can be explained well if I don't have this. So see here, simple code, we are opening the home page, right? Then we are clicking chapter 1 link. So chapter 1 is coming from this link, right? If I click on chapter 1 back button, I should go to my home page.
Okay.
So let me check whether is it happening or not. See, I've opened this home page, then I clicked on chapter 1 button. If I click back button, I should go to my home page again. So I click navigate back. So I am on home page, right? That means it's working. So you can simulate this navigate back option through driver.navigate.back API.
Okay.
So let me try the navigate forward button. Navigate forward. So if you observe, forward button will be enabled only if you click on black button. See, even I click on many links, this forward button is not enabled, right?
Yes.
Forward button will be enabled only if you click on back button. So I clicked back button, right? Now this forward is enabled. Okay.
Okay.
Now let me try the same through the code. So here I am on home page. From that I am coming to chapter 1. If I click navigate back, I should go to home page again. If I click navigate forward, I should come to the chapter 1 page again.
Okay.
Let me try the both. So now I am on home page. I clicked on chapter 1 link. If I click navigate, observe here, this forward button is not enabled, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
I click navigate back. Now you are on home page and this button is enabled.
Okay.
Now let me click forward again. If I click forward again it should come to chapter 1 link.
Okay.
You came to chapter 1, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Using driver dot navigate, you can simulate the navigate forward, navigate back options. So there is one more button, right? Refresh URL, reload the page.
Yes.
Let me try that. Now. Driver dot navigate dot refresh. So it opened this page, right?
Yes.
If I click on refresh, this page has to be refreshed. Let me check whether is it doing or not. If I do alt tab, it will switch to that. So I am pressing F6 now. Oh shit. It's too quick, that's why I didn't notice. Okay, we will directly run it, then we can observe. Few things is really difficult to show it in debug mode. Let me run it. If the actions are too quick, in between you are switching from Eclipse to browser, the thing will be happened. So you can't notice. So it opened chapter 1 and it reloaded it also. So if I open some Facebook, then you can notice that maybe. Let me open YouTube. So YouTube might take time, right? So we can expect that it will take time to reload also. So it opened YouTube for me. So it's reloading again. Did you observe? Did you notice that, Swati?
Yes.
It opened it, the page is loaded, then it refreshed it. So if you want to refresh your page, you should call driver.navigate.refresh. So you can simply remember this in this way, Swati. All the navigate options, what you have in your address bar, you can simulate those actions through driver.navigate. If you type driver.navigate, on top of it you can see all these options: forward option, back option, refresh option. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and one more thing is there, Swati, navigate to. What will it do is, now you are on YouTube, Swati. You thought of switching to my website.
Okay.
So you can do that switching through driver.navigate.to. Okay,
Okay.
let me run it. So you open some URL, after some time you thought of opening some other URL.
Okay.
Then you need to use driver.navigate.to. So if you see here, it opened YouTube first, then it switched back to Java automation, right?
Okay. Yes.
So it's similar to this. So first I open YouTube manually. I open YouTube here. After some time, I am planning to open Java automation. So if you want to do these kind of things in automated manner, you can take help from driver.navigate.to.
Okay.
Okay. In Navigate, there are 4 APIs working. So the first one is back. It is similar to the back button on the address bar. Second one is forward. It is similar to the forward button on the address bar. And you can use refresh to refresh a page. And if you want to switch from one URL to another URL, you can use driver.navigate.to. Okay? Clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, so I am giving all these examples, right? I will upload all these classes into my blog. So you can download those classes from there and you can set up them in your Eclipse. If you have any doubts, you can rerun them again. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I will share you all the details from where you need to download and all at the end of the course, so you can get it from there. So using manage, you can delete cookies, add cookies. You can do all these kind of things. Swati.
Okay.
So let me try get cookies. What will it do is, so if you call get cookies, it will go to document and it will call document.cookie. The same thing will be returned to you, Swati. If you do it through, if you want to get the same through WebDriver, you need to do that. You need to call driver.manage.getCookies. Sorry, I forgot to print it. But this is not the right way. For cookies, I explained earlier, right? Cookies will be created when you are logging into somebody. Okay?
Okay.
let me do this in this way. Way to SMS, I am opening Swati. And way to SMS also some tricky part is there. And which sites contain very simple login names here. Forgot the password for it. We need to get simple password. Okay, let me check what document that cookie is returning me now. This is my cookie before login. Okay.
Okay.
After login, definitely something will be added to it. See, this Grails underscore remember underscore means is added, right? This is not there here. Up to ABT 47, everything is same. Okay.
Okay.
But prepare here SSMO value is also empty Swati. Okay.
Okay.
But some SSMO value is added, right? Like that. If you perform login action, some new values will be created and they will be added to your cookie. Based on the new values only, it will authenticate you as Swati, it will authenticate me as Devendra, like that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, if you want to get the same through Selenium, we can get it through get cookies. Let me write the program breakfast. So, where I am going? So, think with the login page. So, this is the login page I am getting. I should wait till the page is getting loaded. After that, let me see the username and password. IDs for it. So ID is J underscore username. So we
Okay.
can call it driver dot find element, right? Find element by ID equal to username dot uh, send keys. You should forget the password. Sir. I am putting it here. So after entering both username and password, I will click on this login button, right? So what is
Yes.
the ID for this login? There is no ID as expected. So we can write a xbar.
Okay.
So driver dot find element by dot xbar. What is the xbar input? At the rate type equal to submit and value equal to login. And And to perform click, we will call click API, right?
Yes. Yes.
Click. So now login will be performed. Okay. So before calling login, let me execute driver.getCookie1 before login. Document dot sorry, not document, driver dot driver dot manage dot get cookies. This is after login. Let me run the program. For password also I gave the same ID Swati. So it printed everything in the username field. So what is the ID for password? You understood password, right?
EW.
Yeah, let me run it again. But if you observe Selenium is too quick, Swati. It will do at least 5 to 6 times faster than us. Oh, it written no such element. So this XPath failed. Type equal to submit only or what? Import. Import type equal to submit. Oh, sorry. Here for value I didn't put value at the rate. So for each attribute we need to put at the rate, right?
Yes.
That is the mistake. So you should debug after looking at it. If some expert expression faces, definitely you would need some attribute or some at the rate symbol or in front we need to give something, right? Those things you will miss. So you should take care of them. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, now before login, after login I got the values. Let me open it in the same. You got the same thing, right? Grails underscore remember me, you got.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So off login only you got it. And let me check SSO. In both the cases SSO is empty. Here in both the cases you got some SSO value, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So in this way get cookies will be used to get the cookie value after the login. Okay. I will tell you one interesting thing here. See, uh, if you delete cookie, your authentication will be lost. See, now I logged into my browser, right? Without doing logout, how can I do? Not in this way. There is some way to delete cookie. Okay, let me do in this way. Control Shift Delete. Settings, all cookies and site data. So I am looking for think with their cookies. Okay, here there are 5 cookies, right? For ThinkVidya, for www.thinkvidya, there are 8 cookies. So Grails underscore remember me is there, about is there, SSO is there, these are all there, right? I am deleting these cookies also. I am pressing done. Now I am refreshing it. See, I without performing logout also I came to login page again, right? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, no problem. 1 minute. Yeah. So in today class, um, I will explain this cookies part also,
Okay.
and we'll conclude this. Did you see this? I showed you, right? After login, I deleted all the cookies. I refreshed the page. I came back to login, right? Did you see that, or did you see that?
Yes, yes, okay.
Yeah. So what will happen now? Based on your cookie only, he will authenticate. He will recognize you as Smarty. So I deleted all the cookies for thinkwithya.com and www.thinkwithya.com, right?
Yes, mm-hmm.
So it didn't recognize me as Devendra. That's why it again asking me my credentials. It came back to login page again. Okay.
Okay.
We'll see how to do that manual action through WebDriver. We have already tried get cookies, right? Let me try get cookie. What is the significance of get cookie? So if you log in now, after login, there are many things, right? So there are 8 cookies. So this J session ID is a cookie. This domain is a cookie. This SSO is there, right? What we have seen. Rails underscore remember me is a cookie. And this SSO, somewhere SSO is there. So this SSO is a cookie. These are all cookies, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you call get cookies, it will return you everything. But if you want to get specific value, like if you want to get rails underscore remember me value, you can rely on get cookie.
Okay.
What get cookie will do is it will get the specific value of that. So get all cookies will return you all the cookie values for you, but this will return you the specific values.
Okay.
Let me try this. Run a Java application. Run a Java test case. See, it returned one value for grails underscore remember me, and it returned the SSO value only. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to get specific things, you can get it through get cookie, but you need to pass the value before the equal to. If you want SSO value, you need to pass SSO. If you want to get grails underscore remember me, you should pass this. If you want to get JSON ID, you need to pass JSON ID for that. Okay.
Okay.
That is the advantage of get cookie. So delete all cookies. What will it do? We'll see. So I logged in into the browser, right? Now
Yes.
let me try delete all cookies. So I deleted all the cookies. If I refresh the page, it should go to the login page again.
Okay.
So it went to login page, right?
Yes.
So that means
Mm-hmm.
all the cookies are deleted. So using delete all cookies, we can delete the cookies in a page. Okay? Did you
Okay.
get it? What I am trying to say?
Yes, I got it.
Yeah. So that is the purpose of delete all cookies. So what delete cookie will do means it's similar to get cookie only. If you give a specific name, it will delete that cookie from the cookies list. Instead of deleting all the cookies, if I want to delete only SSO cookie from the cookies list, I can do that using delete cookie name. Okay, let me run it. Anna Jane test case. So there are two things: after login, after SSO deleted.
Okay.
So here there is an SSO, but here there is no SSO, right? This is deleted
Okay.
because I deleted SSO, right? That it got deleted from after SSO deleted. Okay,
Okay.
that is the purpose of delete cookie name. So that is all about handling cookies through WebDriver party. So I can ask an interview question like this: without touching logout button, how can you implement logout action? If someone asks like that, then you can say the answer like this: if you call these two APIs together, then logout action will be performed, right? In any website, irrespective of the logout button, you can implement logout action in WebDriver using this. So if I am login, no cookies will be generated, right?
Okay. Yes.
So if I delete all the cookies and if I refresh the page, definitely I will be logged out from the website, right?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So without touching logout button, without bothering about the logout button ID, if you want to implement logout, generate logout for all the browsers, you can call these two APIs together: driver.manage.delete all cookies and driver.navigate.refresh. That will do logout action in any browser. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. That's it for today, Swati. Do you have any doubts?
No, it's clear.
Yeah, yeah, that's good. Okay then. Bye for now. Okay?
Yes.